Um, it's like doing Saakin. Nah, is
Sorry?
it's like the letter Noon with Sukan, or
That's right. Perfect.
and Tanween is like either Fatihin,
تو فتحة.
Fat and
تو فتحة
two,
double فتحة
yeah,
double
two
كسرة
Fatah,
double ضمة. Okay, so
two
perfect.
Fatah, yes.
We said and we explained how تنوين is a noon ساكنة, right?
Yeah.
How التنوين is a noon ساكنة.
Um, like oh, I remember this. You know how some letters like in the Quran, like it's there's like let me tell you done. So I know like you when there's a word, you take
Uh,
that out and replace it with tanween, which is another way of saying it, which makes another meaning.
so التنوين is either فتحتين, تو فتحة, تو كسرة, or تو ضمة, which in fact is نون ساكنة. As an example, word كتاب. Word كتاب ends with two ضمة in there. Two ضمة at the end of the الباء. So in reality, it was كتاب with one ضمة, only one ضمة, but letter سكون in there. However, this noon sakina was removed and replaced with another dhamma over the word, over the ba. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Today, inshallah, we will do something very, very easy. Okay?
Hmm.
We will explain the rules of noon sakina. Do you remember how many rules of the noon, how many rules of noon sakina or tanween make?
Four?
Four. Yes. They are the first letter, which is izhar. Okay? What does word al-izhar mean? Right? You can izhar means to make something clear. Okay? What does word izhar mean?
To make something clear.
Does it make sense? Izhar to make
Yes.
something clear. Okay.
Yeah.
What is that something? We are going to replace word something to make
The word.
no
The
noon
noon?
sakina clear. Okay? To make what?
Hmm.
To
To
make a
make
noon,
a noon.
we are studying the rules of noon sakina and tanween. So we are going to make a noon sakina clear. Okay?
Hmm.
Either it's a clear letter known with sukun over it or noon sakina in tanween. Okay?
Hmm.
We will make the n sound clear. Okay?
Okay.
How? Would you please read that word?
Which one?
This
Oh yeah.
word.
وَيَنْأَوْنَ.
Good job. Just a simple mistake in there. You made ghunnah in there. You made nasal sound. You made vibration. وَيَنْأَوْنَ. You did that.
Hmm.
And in al-izhar we make a nun sakna clear. Remember, right?
Yeah.
We make a nun sakna clear. So we never stop, we never pause on a nun. We say وَيَنْأَوْنَ وَيَنْأَوْنَ, just in the sound, clear in the sound. وَيَنْأَوْنَ. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
If you pause on the noon even a second, that would be not right. Okay? Any nasal sound come from the nose, okay? Any one that comes, that's not right. That would be something else. So the right pronunciation is wayan auna. Wayan auna. Does it make sense?
Uh, yeah.
Okay. So here, النون الساكنة came before Hamza. We will see, or I will tell you now what letters make a nun الساكنة clear. Would you read that word, please?
And the
Good job. Perfect. Yes. Have you noticed something?
yeah, you have to make it clear.
Yes. And Nun Sakina is coming before Hamza too. There is a Hamza after the Nun, right?
Yeah.
So we understand that Al Hamza makes a Nun Sakina comes clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Take a screenshot now. Done.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Can you please read these letters in there?
Which okay. Ayn.
Oh, do you think that's Ain?
Oh, sorry. E.
That's Hamza.
Oh, okay. Hamza. Ha. Ha.
Ha. Yes, ha.
Ha. This is Ayn.
Yes, that's Ain. Naam.
Ayn. Ha.
Yes.
Khay.
Ghain.
Ghain.
So a noon comes at the beginning. If any of these, how many letters in there?
6.
6 letters. Good job. If any of these 6 letters came after, please yasha. Remember, it's very important. After, not before. Okay? Came after the noon sakina, okay? Or tanween, and noon sakina, the sound of the noon sakina becomes clear.
Mm-hmm.
Can you repeat what I said, please?
So, one of these letters, if they come after noon,
Yes.
then
Noon sakina, not any
yes,
noon.
sorry.
Noon sakina.
Yes, sorry. Sorry. Noon sakina or tanween, then you have to make it clear.
Yes, we have to make the N sound clear. Okay? We have read wayan auna. Would you read that word, please?
Tanhauna.
Good job. Was a noon sakina clear or not?
Yes, it
Very
was
clear.
done.
Right?
Hauna.
Can I say tun hauna?
No.
There?
Min alaykin.
Ala. Good job. Min alaq. النون الساكنة followed by what?
Sorry?
النون الساكنة is followed by what letter?
But so it becomes a noon sakina after, right? So isn't it meme?
Sorry?
So
What did you say?
So
النون الساكنة coming before what letter?
Before meme?
Before meme?
Yeah, because when it comes after meme, it becomes noon sakina, no?
Did you understand the question? I believe you didn't understand the question.
No, I did not.
I said I'm asking النون الساكنة is coming before what letter? النون is coming after the meme, not before the meme. That's before.
Yeah, before is what you're asking, no?
Yes. Is النون الساكنة coming before the meme or after the meme?
It's coming after, but you're saying what comes before. Okay, all right, sure.
النون الساكنة is coming before العين.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep, that's what I said.
Does it make sense?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yeah, now it does.
الميم الساكنة I have nothing to do with the letter before the noon ساكنة.
Okay.
I told you I have nothing to do with the letter before. Even if it's عين coming before a noon, I have nothing to do with it. I only focus on what letter comes after the noon, not before. And I asked a noon is coming before what letter? A noon coming before what? It's coming after the meme. Okay?
Yep.
It's coming after the meme and before the ain in the middle. So al-ain is after the noon. Sorry if I'm confusing you. Okay?
No, you're good. It's fine.
And noon is coming before the ain. So that's إظهار. It makes al-ain makes an noon is sakna clear. Next.
من خيري.
Mhm.
من خيري.
نعم.
من خلقي.
Good job. Here, a noon is sakna is coming before what letter?
خا.
Good job. Good job. So, a noon is sakna became clear in there. Okay? Examples with a tanween.
عبدا غدا.
عبدا إذا.
عبدا غدا.
Okay? It's the same thing. You just make the N sound clear. If you have any of the إظهار letters, okay? This example is a tanween is followed by one of the إظهار letters, which is ha. So we will say it as فريقا هدى. فريقا هدى. النون الساكنة is clear, okay?
Okay.